2023 Honda ADV 160. Yep, a scooter. Again, 2023 Honda ADV 160. Aha, a scooter. Ang tapang ng muka, ang angas ng muka. Aha, ang angas ng muka nitong scooter na to. Welcome to Kabalen. It's a buffet. Buffet to, buffet. Aha, a buffet. Eat all you can. Eat all you want. A Filipino buffet restaurant. Let's go inside na. Hungry?
Yeah.
Eat all you can, huh?
Uh-huh.
Enjoy, enjoy.
Yes.
Sige na, go ahead na.
Okay, let's go.
Mireya, hungry, huh? Starving?
Yes.
Are you having a big appetite right now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Try everything.
Pansit. Ano yung bopis? Bopis, ano?
Let's eat.
Ang dinuguan. May lechon dito, oh. Fork and spoon na yan, oh. Ano? Filipino food, ha?
Yep.
Filipino food. Sagot gulaman. So far so good.
Yeah.
Enjoy, enjoy. Hey! Ano, full belly?
Yeah.
Ha? Did you have fun eating?
Uh-huh.
Delicious food?
It is.
Nice, ha?
Uh-huh.
Again, folks, 2023 Honda ADV 160. A scooter. Scoot, scoot. Put, put. Scoot, scoot. Scooter is fun too. Right, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
The face looks so mean. Ang angas ng muka. Ang tapang. Para siyang ano, Batmobile ni Batman. Aha. The front or the face of the scooter looks like Batman's Batmobile. Malaki siya tignan. Hindi siya mukhang maliit na scooter. Mukha siyang ano maxi scooter. Aha. Malaki. Malaki, macho at brusko tignan. Like I said, mukha siyang maxi scooter. Baby maxi scooter. Matte black. Aha. Yun nga. You need to press the left lever brake and then press or push the starter key. Ayan. So for the engine to start again, you need to press and hold the brake lever or lever. Lever or lever. Okay, tigain natin. Upuan naman. Oops. Yan. Yun. Ayun. Maluwag, maluwag. Maluwag yung compartment niya under the seat. Maluwag. Ito yung cover para sa gasolina niya. Ayun, bumukas na. Ayan. Ayos. Yeah. Ah. Ikot nga tayo sa parking lot.
Wow.
Lapit ka. Super gaang. Parang laruan eh. Para ako nagra-ride ng bisikleta. Yung bisikletang dipedal. Sa sobrang gaang. Para akong nakalaruan. O isang ikot pa. Napakagaang. Ayan, umaambun na. Umaambun na. Park ko siya dito. Okay, ganito siya pagka naka-kickstand. Siyempre, nakaslant siya. Nakaslant to the left. Ayan, hindi naman siya higang-higa. Hindi siya masyadong slant na slant towards left. Tama lang.
Dapat na yan kung sumobra mga.
Ayan, nakaslant siya. So maganda talaga pag may center stand, ano? Kasi madaling i-park. Tapos kung mag-oil change ka o kung may kailangan kang kalikutin o gawin, madali kasi naka-center stand ka. So madaling itayo yung bike at mas madali siyang kumpunihin. Madali siyang kalikutin kung naka-center stand. Umaambon na. Let's go na. Malayo pa biyahin natin.
Let's go.
Maglo-loop tayo eh, no? Loop, akyat sa canyons, akyat sa mga bundok, and then go down, and then go home na sa Manila. So, ilang oras na biyahe pa to? Isang papoging ikot pa ulit sa parking lot. Papogi lang, papogi. Japorms lang. Lock ba siya? Pogi ba, pogi?
Yeah.
In English, do I look handsome on this scooter? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ang laki ng turning radius. The turning radius is so wide. And as you can see, it doesn't hit my leg. So okay, so alright.
Bye.
Yung windshield nga pala, guys, the windshield. See?
Whoa.
You can put it down, you can put it up.
Wow.
See?
So easy.
As easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's leave the windshield like this. So the windshield can shield us from the wind. Let's leave it as is. Like this. You see my shirt? The Beatles. John, Ringo, Paul, and George. The Beatles. Well, let's go na.